Wendy Williams' ex-husband, right here, Kevin Hunter, has sued company that produces the Wendy Williams show for firing him as producer of the show. As you all know, that show was produced by him and Wendy. They came a long way with that show. And if they did do that, which I have a feeling they did, then he's got a case and he's suing them for millions. I've got a feeling he's going to win that case. He's got a case. But then at the same time, because they use the same lawyers with Wendy, I've got a feeling Wendy's going to sue as well, because if they fired him because Wendy divorced him, and now because of her illness they've cancelled her, that is unfair dismissal. I mean, if that's what they did, because you can't fire someone because they're ill. I have a feeling she's going to sue them for millions, and she will potentially win that case.